Hey there, construction pros! We know how important it is to have the best tool by your side. Whether you're a new guy in the field or professional, you need the best construction tools to maintain efficiency and safety on every project. So why are you waiting? Let's get to know some of the best tools for construction now. First, we have something that will help the professionals most, the FLEXVOLT R Giraffe. This tool is designed for them who want top quality results without sacrificing comfort or performance. This wall and ceiling sander offers such features that take your work to the next level. Weighing just 2.8 kilograms, this tool is incredibly lightweight. Plus, it has a carbon fiber guide tube, which is 40% lighter than aluminum and 10 times harder than steel. This makes it super easy to handle, especially during long working hours. Its smooth operation with barely any vibrations ensures comfortable use even in challenging conditions. What's more, the innovative inline design provides perfect balance and high-quality sanding results. Whether you're working on walls or ceilings, this tool helps you get the job done efficiently without compromising on quality or comfort. In a construction site, you must tackle wood, metal, and plastic cutting jobs. And you obviously don't want to complete them imprecisely. That's where the Metabo chop saws comes in. These saws are perfect for cutting through steel, non-ferrous metals, iron, and cast profiles, which makes them a go-to tool for any metal work. One of their best features is the adjustable cutting depth limiter, so that you can make the most out of every cutting disc. They also come with a quick clamping device that lets you easily set the angle for cuts between -15 degree to 45 degree, so you can handle different types of angle cuts with no trouble. With the easy-to-use spindle lock, you can change the discs effortlessly. The CS24355S model even has an electronic soft start, which means a smooth startup with less strain on the tool. The Airstrike 16-gauge finish nailer from Ryobi is a cool helping hand for anyone looking for cordless convenience on the job. With the ability to drive up to 1,000 nails per charge, this nailer allows you to work longer without the hassle of recharging. Its 78% smaller nose improves your line of sight, making it easier to drive nails accurately even in tight spaces. You can easily adjust the depth of drive and pressure without any tools, ensuring you get the perfect settings for your specific project. Plus, there's a low nail indicator that lets you know when it's time to reload. And with the ability to drive nails ranging from 3/4 to 2.5 inches, this finish nailer is perfect for a variety of applications like crown molding, exterior trim, and baseboard installation. You might be wondering how this small tool will help you in a big work site, but let us tell you that this GLM 5027 CG Leisure Measure is the perfect tool for you if you're working on tough construction sites and need something reliable. With its shock-absorbing housing and rubber coating, it's built to survive falls from up to 1.5 meters, even onto concrete, so you don't have to worry about accidents. It's also IP65 certified, so you'll get solid protection against dust and water. Plus, the combination of an intuitive interface and color display makes your job even simpler. For longer tasks, the battery management gives you flexibility, whether you're using 2 AA batteries or an optional lithium-ion battery. And thanks to the green laser technology, you'll have no trouble seeing your measurements clearly, even across large distances in bright indoor settings. Here's another commercial-grade tool from the tool giant, the Milwaukee 20-inch plate compactor, a robust, feature-packed tool made to deal with the harsh job site and tough jobs. With its power-state brushless motor, it hits harder and travels faster, while ensuring maximum productivity without compromising performance. Forget about gas hassles, because this tool features a push-button start and requires no regular maintenance, reducing downtime and speeding up job completion. On top of that, its zero emissions create a safer work environment indoors and in trenches. The multi-direction capability and fast-slow speed control offer greater maneuverability around forms. Not just that, this compactor comes with 2 high-capacity red lithium forged batteries which provide up to 35 minutes of continuous runtime or cover 5,000 square feet per charge. Need an ultimate solution for your worksite compacting tasks? Get your Milwaukee compactor right away. To drive large nails efficiently and handle heavy-duty framing tasks with ease, every professional tradesperson needs a tool on which they can trust blindly. That's why we have kept this 22-ounce steel framing hammer from Craftsman. This tool has a milled face and helps grip nail heads while striking to make sure every hit counts. Plus, it has a magnetic nail starter that lets you set nails hands-free, giving you extra reach when you need it. Built for durability, this hammer is forged from one piece of steel for long-lasting performance. And with a vibration-reducing ergonomic grip, you'll stay comfortable even during long work sessions. Whether you're framing or tackling a tough job, this hammer's got you covered. We know it's hard to rely on cordless tools for big construction projects, but once you use this DeWalt DCS690 CutOff saw, all the confusion will be cleared out. Because this tool will deliver unbeatable performance without the hassle of pull cords, petrol fumes, or engine upkeep. Featuring a powerful 54-volt brushless motor, this saw is equipped with a 230mm blade that offers an impressive 83mm depth of cut, so you can use it for tasks like cutting pavestones, rebar, and scoring concrete. It also has an adjustable dual feed water system to help manage dust while you work. Plus, there's a heavy load indicator that lets you know when you're applying optimal force, so you can power through demanding cuts without interruption. With an all-metal drivetrain for superior efficiency and a comfortable ergonomic handle with a soft grip, you can tackle extended cutting jobs with ease. Next, the TE622 cordless rotary hammer from Hilti Tools. This tool will also live up to all your expectations like the DeWalt CutOff saw. It combines performance, versatility, and comfort in one single package. With a wide drilling range and a chiseling function, this hammer is designed for all-day use without causing too much fatigue. Compared to the other models, this tool comes in lighter weight, so it'll be easier to tackle larger concrete drilling jobs. Not just that, it has better balance and contoured grips, which let you drill, chip, or drive comfortably from any angle. Safety is also a priority, as it features active torque control to protect you from uncontrolled spinning if the bit gets stuck. Plus, the active vibration reduction helps minimize fatigue, boosting your productivity throughout the whole day. The Festool RC8 cordless reciprocating saw packs a punch with its powerful, fast, and durable design. Featuring a brushless EC-Tech motor, this saw has a switch-activated, fast-cutting pendulum stroke that allows you to slice through tough materials with ease. Its optimized internal mechanism is built to last, efficiently directing all the power into the saw blade, which means smoother operation and less vibration for better control. Plus, true to Festool's reputation, it comes with a suction adapter for dust extraction, helping you keep even the messiest jobs clean. Whether you're tackling a renovation or just need to cut through some tough materials, this saw is up to the task. The Makita Concrete Vibrator is a powerful tool designed to strengthen concrete, especially when you can't use a corded option. The 5.5 feet model is comfortable to use, and it delivers maximum vibrations per minute. It means you can effectively compact floors, pillars, and mat foundations. With 2 power modes to choose from, you can easily switch between normal and power settings depending on the job at hand. The Makita-built motor ensures high performance, allowing for extended run times in both modes so you can keep working without constant interruptions. Its longer shaft and wider vibrator diameter help level the concrete and remove air bubbles more effectively. For those needing a bit more reach, the 8-feet version offers similar features, but is designed for larger applications while still being user-friendly and easy to handle. If you need wide and bright illumination on your job site, the STANLEY 18-volt cordless construction spotlight is the perfect choice. This spotlight delivers impressive lighting with up to 10 hours of runtime, so you won't have to worry about changing batteries constantly. It also features 2 light intensities, allowing you to adjust the brightness based on your needs. Plus, with its variable lighting angle, you can easily direct the light exactly where you need it. Whether you're working in dim conditions or just need extra visibility, this spotlight has got you covered. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.